There are several communication channels in tech that many people are generally unaware of. Most of you probably know about Discord, but there is so much more. For example, in product development teams often use tools like Linear to assign work, Notion, or Jira. Though Jira can feel a bit too complex sometimes. I was recently talking to one of my senior and they mentioned that the company even uses Miro AI for collaboration. And when we talked about development workflows, there are strategies like sprints, agile, and tools like Kibana, but that's a topic for another video. Today we will focus on communication platforms and most importantly Slack. When I talk to new folks in tech, they are often completely unaware of Slack, and that's surprising because it's one of the most important tools, especially in the cloud native world. Organizations like LFX, CNCF, and even my GSOC organization use Slack as their main communication platform. It's also been used in many startups. So this video is a quick tour of Slack. I will also add links in the description so you can check them out. Slack is not just chat, it's powerful because of its integration. You can connect GitHub, Google Drive, and many other tools. Like if someone pushes a PR, you can get a notification in Slack. Entire organizations have workspaces, and within those workspaces there are multiple channels, both public and private, separated by topics or team. This helps keep conversations organized. I wanted to make this video because I kept meeting new developers who have never used Slack and are missing out on how efficient it can make communication. There are open source alternatives like Zulip and Rocket Chat, but remember, open source doesn't always mean free. If you self-host or use them as SaaS, there can still be cost involved. So if you have never used Slack before, I highly recommend creating a free account and just exploring it. Join some open source communities, play around with channels, and see how it fits into your workflow. You were listening to MadMe Codes. Thank you for your valuable time.